हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो कैसे हो बच्चों। आज हम करेंगे ग्रेड 10th का पॉलिनोमियल्स में से एक क्वेश्चन। आइए करते हैं। हमें गिवन है अल्फा एंड बीटा आर जीरोस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस पी। सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ p? यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p गिवन इट इज अ कंडीशन इज गिवन। So what to do here? You have to compare first the given equation. So while comparing, you will see, compare the coefficients. A will be 1, B will be minus 3, and C will be P. I am writing A equals to 1, B is equal to minus 3, and C is equals to P. Now we will find the sum and the product of roots. Sum of roots and product of roots. And you know, for sum of roots, the formula will be minus b by a, and for product of root it will be c by a. Putting the values, c minus b will be minus 3 divided by a will be 1, so it will be 3. For the product it will be c by 1. So sum of root, let it be alpha plus beta, and product let it be alpha multiply beta. Now the condition given here is 2 alpha plus 3 beta is equal to 15. We can put the value of alpha plus beta equal to 3. We will use this equation and find the value of alpha. See, if this beta will move to the right side, the value for alpha will be 3 minus beta. We will put this 3 minus beta in this equation. The result will be 2 multiply 3 minus beta plus 3 beta is equals to 15. Okay. Now we will multiply the brackets. 2 into 3 and 2 into minus beta. It will be 6 minus 2 beta plus 3 beta is equal to 15. See here, plus minus minus, but sign of the greater digit 3, it will be 6 plus beta is equal to 15. This 6 will move to the right side. It will be beta is equal to 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So we find the value for beta is equal to 9. Now we have to find the value of alpha. We will put the beta value in this equation again. So it will become alpha plus 9 is equal to 3. So alpha will be equals to 3 minus 9. So alpha comes out plus minus minus. Alpha comes out to be minus 6. Now what to do? We have to find the value of P. See here, alpha beta will be equals to P. We have to put the values here. For alpha I will put minus 6, and for beta I will put 9 is equal to P. So 6 times 9 is 54. Plus minus will be minus. So value for P is equals to minus 54 will be your result. Thank you so much.